Welcome to MBS Daylight for Sketchup tutorial on how to register windows and rooms. Let's start by updating the default building's name to number 32 and number 34. Make sure you have saved the building name once you completed modifying it by clicking the Save button. Next, we are going to create window tags by clicking on Create Tags button. Also, we will create tags by room type. After this, we will assign windows and rooms to their corresponding tag. Now our model is ready for window and room registration. Open the registration dialog and click on Pick Face to Register button in order to register window. Traffic light gets added on registered window face. Make sure that indicator tags are visible to view the traffic light. Alternatively, we can register windows in batch by selecting the tags listed in table. Once you have selected the tags, click on Register Windows by Tag button. In similar fashion, we will register rooms. Select the tags from the table and click on Register Rooms by Tag.